Hello guys, there we have a NOKIA X30 and today I will show you how you can send fax messages on your device and receive it. So we have to start by downloading a fax app. You will find a lot of it in the Google Store, but I choose that one. Of course you can choose the other one. So we have to open it, add a permission, and again, and how you can see now we are in the incoming section. If you want to send something, just click on this little plus and choose the source of your document. You can choose the image from your gallery, PDF from your downloading files, or just take a photo. I will take a photo now. Now you can adjust your shape to your document. And if you are ready, click here. Now choose a filter for it. You can here add a text or just a signature. And if you are ready to send it, click here. Now by clicking this plus you can add other file, or if you want to send just it, just type the number, and here you can enter a small message. And that's it. If you want to send it, just click here, and it's our process. So thank you, have a nice day, and goodbye.